What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on the Integra Velcro oil pan gasket, which I'm going to be replacing. I have the one that doesn't have the metal insert, so hopefully this one will last a little longer, because it feels like when I tighten it, I'll show you in a bit, but when you tighten it, it kind of smushes this. And this one comes with these little locking pins and some RTV. You're supposed to thread these in to the four corners, which I'm guessing there, or wherever on the, because on this B18, B16, B17, B20, they all have either a mixture of nuts and bolts on the bottom. Some have studs. You just put the nut. So I've already drained the oil, jacked it up, because this engine I just recently took it to the car wash because it was super caked up with oil. Transmission is what I think it's the oil pan, because as you can see, maybe you can see it very well, but this gasket's like all smushed, and if you tighten these up, all it does is smush this gasket out, and for some reason these keep getting loose on me, even though it has this hard area on this, reinforced area on the pan. It still leaks. So as you can see, I got some residual right here where the oil was just caked. So I have to drop the header, unbolt it here, unbolt it off the head, cylinder head, exhaust side, and then I got to remove this guy to access all the bolts on the oil pan. So we'll get that going here. Like I said, I've already drained the oil. So Deborah wants to say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe to Ragic Rice Rockets.
Thank you for those kind words from our sponsor. I'm gonna remove the shield. It's number 12s. I think I'm gonna have to remove my fan just to get to those bolts, but that's not a biggie. It's just a couple of tins. There's also number 12s here, there, and down there.
I think it'll belong on.
So now that it exposes the bolts, come crack those suckers loose.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I got them all out, but I put these two nuts back on so it doesn't fall off while I'm unbolting the header from down there. Unclip the O2 sensor.
Daddy, be okay. It's not water that drips. It's a little bit of water. I mean, that's a lot.
Yeah, now we gotta remove this guy. it's not. So this one's just a bunch of 10 millimeter bolts, nuts, combination.
What did I got 3 what?
Shots.
How do you know?
So we're looking really good under here. Not a lot of buildup of dirt. I changed the oil on the regular.
Daddy, can you hold his jacket? Can you hold his jacket?
No, baby.
It's in your feet.
So I drained all the oil out of the pan. Just gonna give it a good wipe. Some of this good stuff. So these are the Felpro, what they call snap ups. But you, like I say, you put these in the 4 corners for the bolt holes, not stud holes. Like, got one right there, you know, here and in the back. Go ahead and snap one of these open. Put one of these. Notice that the parts of the engine block where the rear main, I mean I might have it backwards, but the rear main and then the front main. So in this little groove, you put the silicone. I know. Now it holds the ball pen up. disconnect your O2 sensor, put your shield on, put all your bolts, reassemble your fan like you disassembled originally, and I believe